Alright guys, this is so embarrassing, but I'm about to do it. I'm gonna show you. Gonna show you what it looks like. Horrible. Horrible. Like, what is that? I don't... Normally, my refrigerator and my freezer are both, like, very organized and, just, I don't know, like I said, very organized. But this refrigerator is very small. I don't know if that shows the cubic feet or not, but it is really small compared to what we're used to having. I know that this is probably more than some people have, and I'm grateful for the space that we do have, because when we were looking at campers, hold on. Anyway, my hair is always crazy, but when we were looking at campers, this was one thing that I wanted, was a little bit bigger of a refrigerator. So I am happy that it is bigger than some of them that I've seen. But then we also don't have room for, like, food. This small slender cabinet, this cabinet which holds our spices and our oils, and then excuse me, two cabinets over here. This has our, like, baking stuff in it, and then our chips and snacks and stuff. This is plates and things, but then it has, like, our extra food up there, like extra condiments and stuff. And then this cabinet right here has our bread, and behind there is pasta, and then this is like our coffee, teas, honey, and things like that. And then we've got, like, bananas down here because we can't put them anywhere. I mean, that's just where they can go. So anyway, my purpose of this video is I just went and got a ton. I'll sit down here and show you. I got a ton of stuff from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to turn it around and show you what I got to try to reorganize at least just my refrigerator. Alright, so I've just got it like this, and I'm just sitting down on the floor. So, I didn't show y'all above my refrigerator because that's not really food, or it's not food at all. But, well, there is a couple of boxes of cereal up there. But for the most part, above my, refrigerator is our lunch stuff. So, like, lunch boxes. And then in another bin is, like, craft type stuff. Like, we'll keep, like, paper towel, holders and egg cartons and stuff like that to do different things with. But I got the kids some little, I don't even know what you call them, like sandwich cutters and stuff to, like, make the bento box lunches, and so I got this for that to go in. And then I went to Dollar Tree. This is where I got all of this stuff at. I was so excited to find these. I got these, and it's just veggie storage, I guess, like fruits and vegetables. I got 3 of those in the gray color. They had green and red, I believe, but these are I like the gray. I'm trying to keep it like gray, white, and blue. And the reason I'm doing so many colors is because I had some stuff that I already use, but sorry, I need to reposition here, that I already use, but I needed more stuff, and so I just found the colors that I could find the things that I needed in, and then hopefully those will go good together. So then I got this bin. It's like one of those square, like, locker type bins, and I've had several of these. They seem to hold up pretty decent. And I also got a rectangular shaped one, and these are the ones that I normally, if I tend to pick them up, these are the ones that I get. It just looks like a locker. So I got a rectangle shaped one and then a square one. And then I also got another one of these baskets, because right now our eggs are in here, and I just figured another one might be good for something else. And then I got these 2 baskets. One is like a shorter, fatter rectangle, and then a longer, skinnier rectangle. And then I grabbed this, and I was thinking about keeping our lunch meat in here, because the type of lunch meat that I buy, when you open the package up, it's supposed to reseal, but it doesn't normally reseal. Sorry, it doesn't normally reseal like I feel like it should. So I ended up buying this, and I think that this will work. We usually end up having 2 in there at a time that are open, so I figure both of these would fit just fine. And then I also grabbed 4 of these, and I'm not going to take them apart because one looks just like the other. But they're dish pans. But I think these are going to work perfectly for inside of my refrigerator. So 4 of those. Then I grabbed this, which is going to go underneath my sink. I've got some command hook things that I think I'm going to use and try dropping like my aluminum foil down in here and freeing up not these drawers right here that you can see behind me, but some that are over there beside the stove. So I'm going to try that. I don't know if that'll be in this exact video or not. And then I got this to go in one of the drawers, not these, but the one by the stove. I grabbed this. It says, "Life is my favorite adventure." And it is a super cute little tote. I thought about using this for like to throw my potatoes and stuff in and like maybe hanging them on the end. See, like this cabinet that's right here, like hanging them there. But then I thought potatoes would be too heavy for that. I don't know, but this was super cute. So if you have any ideas that I can use this for besides just a tote, leave them down below, because I thought this was super cute. It matched kind of what I was doing, and so if I can think of something to use it for, maybe like on the inside of my cabinet, maybe to hold like plastic bags, I don't know, but I thought this was cute. This is one thing that I just picked up just purely for the fact that I thought it was cute. And then the last thing that I got, and I don't know how this is going to work out, but we'll see, are these. They're called poster stickers, but I was going to use these to label. I got 3 packs of them, and I hope that that's enough. If it's not, I can go back and get more. But I'm going to use these to like label the flat bins like in the refrigerator, and then like the drawer that's in there, and try to get some of this stuff, like I said, organized. But I think that they will stick on to this fairly well. So that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to try to make that little bitty refrigerator organized, then keep watching, and I'll see you in a minute. So even though that fridge is very, very small, it held quite a bit of stuff. I had to put the fruit in here because I ran out of counter space. But this is everything that was in the door, or most of everything that was in the door. So now the refrigerator part is empty, and of course it is disgusting, and time for me to wipe it down. Okay, so one of the first things I'm going to do, I've already got the refrigerator wiped out, and everything's out on the counter. But I got this bin yesterday. I'm going to rinse it out really fast, and then I'm going to just place this plant-based turkey, deli slices inside of it, and I'm going to put the real turkey that the rest of my family eats in a baggie, and then I'm going to try to put both in here. These are mine. I don't mind them being in the same thing as the turkey, the real turkey. So I'm going to try to see if I can get both of them to fit in here, because normally we only have 2 of these at a time. One for me and one for the rest of the family. Isaiah eats these too, but yeah. So anyway, that's what I'm fixing to do right now. Alright, so next I'm moving on to the freezer. I showed you that in the earlier part of the video. I'm just showing you I pulled everything out. I've got everything sitting around. And then I've got a few bins over here, and then a couple that I could probably go out to my mother's storage building and pull out from there. But I'll try to just use what I've got in here first and see how that goes. Alright, so here's how the freezer turned out. I just put all of our smoothie stuff up here. I put it to the side, the label. That way, if we don't have, you know, enough to fill this up, we can kind of put random stuff here if we need to. But I did make a random section. This is like some frozen coleslaw. I don't know if that's going to unfreeze well, but I needed to stick it in there or it was going to go bad. So it was worth a try. Some pecans. And then our breakfast foods like waffles and things. And then we have our lunches section, meats. And then if you can see right there, it says cheeses. And I just lined a couple of those up in the back because we like to freeze cheese. Veggies, and then breaded food. Like we have some spring rolls and then like some onion rings. And I think there's like some hush puppies in here, just stuff like that. So there you have that. Alright, and so here is the big reveal of the refrigerator. We have our eggs in the door and our butter, our most used condiments in the door right here. Behind that, I have some cookies, and then I'm going to try putting our waters in the door. We're going to see how that goes. We do not like super cold waters anyway, so that should work out. And then up here, we have a section for leftovers. We have a bin that has just different cheeses because we like cheese. A bin for like different types of vegetables. There's some cucumbers, some onions, tomatoes, avocados, things like that. And then we've got our milk and juices in this kind of row here. And then we have our creamers, so we can just kind of pull that out. We have some sauces and dips that have already been opened. And then behind there are the 3 veggie and fruit containers that I got from the Dollar Tree. There's tomatoes and snap peas and carrots. And then on the next, well, we'll go to this drawer. This drawer has the lunch meat and then a couple, like some hot dogs and some bacon behind it, like some vegan bacon. And then this last shelf has snack bin, which I've always done. It's just easy for my kids to come in here and pull a snack out. And then this is something new that I'm going to try. That's why there's nothing in the door of the refrigerator, because we have this. We use sauces a lot, so we should be able to just grab this out and pull out what we need and then stick it back in here. And then at the very bottom, we've got our fruits and our vegetables. And I don't know if I want to put stickers on those or not. I know I like the farmhouse, like the really like classic white and everything, but I was trying to do very cheap in here, so that's why I just done the Dollar Tree stickers. But that's how it turned out. I don't know if it's going to last like that, but we're going to try it and see.